In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment method in Airbnb app. If you've ever changed banks, had a card expire, or just want to tidy up your saved details, removing a payment method from your Airbnb account is quick and straightforward. The process is the same whether you're using the mobile app or a browser. I'll walk you through it on the website so everything is easy to see and follow. Start by going to www.airbnb.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you've used Airbnb with more than one email. Being in the right account ensures you're editing the correct set of payment methods. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo or the profile icon. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to your main account settings where all your profile and financial preferences are managed. Inside Account, open the section called Payments and Payouts. This page is where Airbnb separates how you pay for stays and experiences from how you receive money if you host. Don't worry, we're staying on the payment side, so we only affect the cards you use to book, not any payout details. Next, select Payment Methods. Here you'll see a list of every card or payment option you've saved. Take a moment to confirm which one you want to remove. If you're unsure, check the card type and the last 4 digits so you don't delete the wrong one. Click on the card you want to remove to open its details, then choose Remove. Airbnb will ask you to confirm, which is a helpful safeguard. Go ahead and confirm the removal. If you see a message saying the card can't be removed, it may be tied to an upcoming reservation or a pending charge. In that case, update the payment method on that reservation first, wait for any pending payments to clear, and then come back to remove the card. After you confirm, you should see that card disappear from the list. That's your sign it's been successfully deleted. If you still plan to book on Airbnb, it's a good idea to leave at least one valid payment method on file so future checkouts are smooth. And if you just replaced an old card with a new one, double check any upcoming trips to make sure the correct card is assigned. That's it. You've removed a payment method safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need a quick refresher.